Set in the tranquil hills of Vale das Rosas, this striking villa offers the perfect blend of privacy, elegance and panoramic views stretching to the sea. Hello, I'm Sam from Mapro and let me show you around. At the entrance, the grand double-sided staircase makes a bold statement, leading you into the spacious living area with gorgeous sea views. The open-plan concept connects the lounge with the dining area, and the fully equipped kitchen caters for every occasion. This villa consists of 5 full bedrooms with 3 suites on the main floor, making it ideal for families. And all 3 bedrooms take advantage of the south-facing sun and the beautiful sea views. Downstairs you'll find a games room, utility spaces and a large garage. There's also lift access to all 3 levels. Comfort and convenience are built into every detail. Step outside to beautifully landscaped gardens, a south-facing terrace and a stunning pool. A shaded gym area, barbecue and relaxing lounge spaces make outdoor living a true dream. Whether you're looking for a private retreat or a large family villa, check out our website with reference 3975. Or better still, contact me and arrange a viewing. Thank you for watching.